I had a chance to walk around the Heights neighborhood of Houston before heading up to play some music at 403 Eats Food Truck Park in Tomball. The Heights area is located northeast of downtown Houston, and technically the area I'm showing here is along 19th Street, where there's a whole row of bars and restaurants. It's like a nightlife destination for drinking, and it's not quite in the Heights area itself. It's also part of Shady Acres area, and it's also called the Greater Heights. So this is a really hip and trendy area, and people are really active around here, so they're valuing fitness and they're going out walking their dogs. It's a place that has been revitalized over the past 10 years, and walking around and driving around this area, you can tell that it's an interesting area. A part of that is because they don't have zoning out here, and so you get a whole mix of all these different places. You got real bungalow homes, and then you got bungalow homes that have been turned into bars. Then there's modern homes and townhomes and apartments and thrift stores, yoga places, art and murals. They're all kind of scattered about and intermingling with each other. Even this whole region here that I've been showing on the Greater Heights area and 19th Street is a part of a neighborhood, and it's surrounded by a neighborhood. So one of the things that you see going around and checking out these places is there is a lot of outdoor space. There's a lot of outdoor seating. There's a lot of big places. So a part of it feels like you're not in Houston anymore. It gets pretty popular at night. You'll have a lot of cars driving down this street, either dropping people off with Lyfts and Ubers, or people trying to come here at night and find parking. So there's a strong club scene here, and there's a strong sports scene here too. You could see in a lot of this footage, there are big screens showing the Houston Astros game. There's a lot of cocktail bars here, and there are bars that try to align with Austin or the Hill Country or Luckenbach area, as if you've escaped into those areas. So you don't have to go to Austin if you want some overpriced drinks. You could find them right here in Austin's backyard. I have heard that they feature live music at Austin's backyard. Cedar Creek is another place where they sometimes feature live music, apparently. And they've got a lot of open space there. They are right next to a creek, so it does feel peaceful and nice there. And I did end up getting some food there that was really good on this day. Another place that offers live music in this area, a few blocks off this strip, is New Magnolia Brewing. And one of the biggest places to catch live music here, and one of the best places to be, is Shady Acres. They do have some really good music there sometimes, and frequently they've got music. And they had Corey Quinn playing on this night when I came, and they were really good. And finally, I do have to point out the Big Star Bar. It's an escape from the more party bars that you got around this area. It's a more classic looking dive bar with a unique look inside. A lot of neat decorations around the place. And the people inside are a bit more local, I think, and they tend to know each other. Now we're moving out of the Heights area. Let's go up to 403 Eats. This is a food truck park right next to the interesting area of downtown Tomball. So I had a good time playing music for these folks at 403 Eats. I saw you across the room, and it looked like I had a dance. The way you move your feet to the beat got me thinking that I got a chance. So I made my way walking over when the band began the next song. Hit the bass and they hit the drums, and we both started to sing along. Things ain't so straight in Georgia Strait country. Things ain't so straight in Georgia Strait country. Thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to click on my YouTube channel and check out the tons of videos that I got on touring around Texas and the music scene of Texas. Find a thumbnail that's got an interesting topic for you. You can hit the subscribe and the bell button to stay tuned on my posts here. Let me know in the comments what else I should be checking out, and thank you for your support. Antiques, Delta 8, THC. She ain't so offended by the things that people say. Things ain't so straight country. Things ain't so straight in George strait country.